What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Pepe. Wanted to do a full update here, both on the technicals but also the fundamentals, because fundamentally I have turned a little bit more bullish on Pepe here. So we'll talk about that. In general, my technical thoughts on Pepe are still similar, are still almost exactly the same as they were. All right, so basically Pepe has been consolidating here for the last 9 days. And that consolidation is holding very, very well. That's between this level right here at like 13,000 or 13,200, and this support level right here around 11,000. What we're waiting for right now, we are consolidating. I think it's most likely in these circumstances of the market that consolidation will hold. However, at some point of time, that consolidation is going to break, and I think it is more likely. I already thought it was most likely we were going to get a bullish breakout, so my thoughts haven't really changed. But I have become more bullish on that. And that's for multiple reasons. I mean, the thing is that Pepe right here, like usually it's considered as Ethereum beta, right? So that it moves when Ethereum is very strong, Pepe is the one meme coin that tends to perform with that. What Pepe has is that it does rally when Ethereum beta is strong, but it doesn't really fall when Ethereum beta is weak. Because at this point of time, Ethereum beta is relatively weak. Ethereum itself is quite weak. Pepe is still holding that consolidation. All right, and even with the crash, or at least the drop we had with Bitcoin, Pepe is still holding the consolidation. So what that reminds me of a little bit is Bonk, which did something similar. Held this consolidation for a long period of time, and then because of the perceived strength of that, we broke out and we started rallying. We're now back at the top of that range, but still we rallied a lot. All right, so what we see from Pepe right here is a lot of strength. Despite the market circumstances, Pepe is holding this level. So therefore, I've turned a little bit more bullish on Pepe. But still, I mean, if we're talking about the price right now, obviously what you want to know is that, all right, well, will we actually get that breakout then? Because what I ultimately expect, if we zoom out a bit, is that we will break the top of this range, and that will start to rally up to some sort of a level right here at 14,500 and 15,000. That's what I expect, all right? But do I expect that right now? No, all right? I think Pepe, like if you look at this open interest, this momentum we have, it's very solid, all right? We gained a lot of momentum over the course of yesterday, but we also lost most of that over the course of today. So yesterday we had momentum to break out. I think if Bitcoin was more bullish yesterday, we could have actually broken out. But now I do think that boat has sailed, all right? Momentum has dropped down. There's no indication of momentum rallying again. Therefore, I also don't see any reason why we would gain that momentum we need to break out. It is obviously possible if Bitcoin turns very bullish here. I do think due to the strength we've seen from Pepe, that Pepe will follow that. But then we would need to see some sort of a reason for Bitcoin to rally here. And there's definitely a chance, right? There's always a chance in these markets. But I don't think it's most likely. So for now, I also don't think it's most likely that Pepe will rally up higher. I think it's more likely we'll stay in this consolidation. And I even think there's a chance that if Bitcoin drops down lower, which I do expect, that Pepe drops down into this level right here between 11,000 and 10,500. Which I see as a buy area, so that could be an interesting opportunity, but that's up to you to decide, and for me to decide. But that's so I expect us to get that bullish breakout, but short term, I'm actually a little bit more cautious and a little bit more bearish even on the possibilities. But those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.